So people, how you going? Did you receive a gobful any time in your life? Well, if you stick around, I'll tell you what it means and I'll show you how to use it in a sentence. So a gobful is when you receive a ton of abuse. It is directed to that person and that person has received a gobful. And you can also use it as a reference as I gave a gobful of to another person. So in Australia, you like to use this not as to argue with someone, just to explain to someone as there was an argument and someone received some unpleasant advice from another person. So, to use it in a sentence, just say you're at your home at night time, you go to work tomorrow and someone decides to play music really loud. Ooh, this is midnight. They want to play music at midnight really loud. Then you go around to their house, knock on their door, knock, knock, knock. They open the door, you give them a gobful. You give them a gobful. That means you abuse them. Why the fuck are you playing music at night time? You should stop it. I'm going to call the police. Blah, 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 blah. Sometimes it can lead to violence, but most of the time it will not. So that is how you give a gobful. To use it in a sentence, you would say, like you're talking to your friend. Okay, so yesterday someone was playing music at midnight. So I went around their house and I gave them a gobful. And if it's directed at you, well, maybe you're the person that was playing that music and say, I was just playing music at night time and the neighbours come around, they gave me a gobful of abuse. So that is how you use it in a sentence. And that is the only way that you use it, is when you give abuse or when you receive abuse. You could also use it for the third person, or probably not the third person, for other people, by saying, I was at a bus stop and two people were arguing and one of them was giving a gobful of abuse to another person. So that's how you could use it when you're the bystander, not involved in the abuse. So have a beautiful day and try and not give a gobful of abuse to anyone. Hooroo.